Congratulations on being admitted to the University of West Florida. You certainly have made a great choice. Within the Hallmarkers College of Science and Engineering, we pride ourselves on the various opportunities we provide our students. This includes paid summer research, internships, student competition teams, industry mentorships, and various scholarships, just to name a few. Listen to what our leaders have to say about being successful in your chosen major.
As a STEM major in the Hal Marcus College of Science and Engineering, you will have access to some of the state-of-the-art facilities to complete your education. So for example, I'm standing here in the atrium of the brand new Science Annex, Building 58C. This is a $26 million, 52,000 square foot building that houses faculty offices and 12 teaching labs that you will have access to in order to learn state-of-the-art techniques to further your education. As part of the undergraduate experience in the majors of biology and chemistry, we are predominantly focused on undergraduate research and training of undergraduate students in laboratory skills. So as part of your degree, you will take a lot of labs. This is the benefit of having the brand new Science Annex, is to get state-of-the-art equipment into these labs for undergraduates to work with so that we can train the students on the state-of-the-art techniques for their future careers.
Our faculty are nationally renowned for working with undergraduate students in research labs, much like the one I'm standing in today. We believe that undergraduate research is the pinnacle of your career here at UWF. It's the place where you get to assimilate information that you learned in traditional lectures and labs to answer unanswered original scientific questions alongside your faculty mentor. Our undergraduate research groups typically range from 2 undergraduate research students all the way up to potentially 15 undergraduate research students. And the best part for you is that you can get involved as a freshman student. We have undergraduate research opportunities available every fall, spring, and summer semesters. In fact, many of our students get paid to do summer undergraduate research here on campus at UWF, as well as off campus. Many of our students have been paid to go do research at world-renowned institutions like Caltech, NASA, Johns Hopkins, Monterey Bay Aquarium Institute, Air Force Research Labs. Oftentimes, our students will present at national and international conferences, and oftentimes they win Best Presentation Awards at those conferences. Students also routinely co-author original scientific publications with their faculty mentors. And because of the productivity and success with undergraduate research students, our faculty have been awarded more than $5 million in research funding from international and national acclaimed agencies such as NASA, the Department of Defense, Environmental Protection Agency, National Science Foundation, NOAA, National Institutes of Health, just to name a few. This obviously makes students much more competitive for their next steps. So I invite you to join an undergraduate research group, and in fact, we welcome you to undergraduate research here in the Hal Marcus College of Science and Engineering.
I am both a chemistry scholar and a STEM scholar. I was a part of the OUR Explorers program, and I've participated in their summer undergraduate research program for 3 summers.
One of the things that truly sets UWF and the Hal Marcus College of Science and Engineering apart is our strong emphasis on hands-on learning. Here at UWF, you won't just be learning from lectures, you'll be actively doing the work that prepares you for your future career, whether in the lab or in the field. In some labs, you'll be building on concepts from class. In others, you'll be introduced to the same techniques and methods used every day by industry professionals. Field experiences are also a major part of what we do. In my Department of Earth and Environmental Sciences, for example, we regularly take students out into the field to collect data, study ecosystems, as well as apply classroom knowledge to real-world challenges. I know firsthand how valuable these experiences are for students. I didn't begin doing field work until graduate school, but here at UWF, you'll have the chance to start early as an undergraduate student. So take advantage of every opportunity that comes your way. These skills and experiences will stay with you long after graduation. You decided to join the Hal Marcus College of Science and Engineering, and we're excited to help you start your journey.
At UWF, you'll get more hands-on experiences than at most other universities. In engineering, we have many projects that give our students years of experience in designing and building complex systems. For example, our students design and build an electrothon vehicle and compete in a number of competitions each year with that car. We have many enterprise teams, including rockets, unmanned vehicles, planes, and human-powered vehicles. Our students have a great record of success in competitions. And we also love to help others, such as our bed race team, who raised over $1,000 to help a local charity. Our students get great satisfaction from seeing their designs have such an impact on people. In total, we have over 25 different engineering projects each year.
The Center for Environmental Diagnostics and Bioremediation is a research center within the Hal Marcus College of Science and Engineering. CEDB engages in basic and applied research pertinent to the assessment and improvement of environmental health. Since our beginning over 30 years ago, we have recognized the value and need for getting students engaged in research experiences outside the classroom. We have supported hundreds of students in our labs. Our funding from grants provide research and training opportunities for graduate and undergraduate students on projects right in our backyard in the Gulf of Mexico to international projects in some of the most remote places on Earth. These experiences are critical to science majors as they plan for the next step. Whether continuing on to graduate school or seeking employment, whatever you have planned after you graduate from UWF, the faculty and staff of CEDB are ready to provide opportunities for you to meet your goals.
We have very strong relationships with local employers who offer numerous internships and co-op opportunities to our students. For example, our students have done internships with GE, Gulf Power, Navy Federal Credit Union, Northrop Grumman, the Air Force Research Labs, just to name a few. These opportunities provide our students with valuable hands-on experience. They can earn credits towards their degree, and they can earn anywhere between $13 to $30 an hour.
We are thrilled to have you join our community of scholars and look forward to supporting you academic growth and success. Our dedicated faculty and staff are here to help you explore the exciting worlds of mathematical science and data science through classroom learning, research opportunities, and collaborative events. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Let's make your college life amazing together.
Academic advising is a critical component of your educational experience at UWF. As a new student, you will work with your assigned first-year advisor. After you earn 30 credit hours, a new advisor in Hal Marcus College of Science and Engineering will guide you through completing your degree. The Hal Marcus Advising Center is located on the second floor of Building 4. This is where our professional advising team will assist you with understanding your degree requirements, course selection, degree planning, and provide referrals, if needed, to offices or programs that support your success.
I've been attending UWF for 2 years. I'm a biomedical science student. I really like how easy it is to reach any faculty and staff regarding anything schoolwork or test or just general information about the class.
Welcome to UWF. We look forward to meeting you. Go Argos!
We look forward to seeing you on campus, in the classrooms, and online. We are here to help you succeed. Ask questions, get involved, have fun. Welcome, Argos.